NPC students, give us an email and tell us about the best day of your life. We'd love to hear.
We have sold 71 of these balls. That equates to 142 beddings, and yeah.
For those of you who have fought one of the balls, I just want to re-go over what we're doing here. When I say go, you guys are going to have about 15 seconds to throw your ball. Throwing it towards the center. If it lands inside of this circle, you'll get a gift certificate. We'll hook you up next week. If it lands inside this bucket, you win a 2-night, 3-day stay at the condo up in Boyne Mountain. 3, 2, 1, go!
Tyler.
I'm Chris, and this is
NPCNN.
Today is Monday, March 9th, the first day of Spiritual Emphasis Week.
The vampires are coming Friday.
What?
The vampires are coming Friday.
Not sure what you're talking about, but birthdays.
What's your name?
Jocelyn Gillette,
What's your birthday?
March 4th.
What'd you get for your birthday?
A car.
What's your name?
Jennifer Pop, but it's not my birthday, it's your birthday.
Oh, what's my name?
Jessica Pop, what do you want for your birthday?
Anything.
What did you get for your birthday?
I got a cactus.
What's your name?
Carly,
When's your birthday?
March 7th.
What do you want for your birthday?
Robux.
Hello, sir. What's your name?
Mr. Bell.
When was your birthday?
It was Wednesday.
Wow. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
What did you get for your birthday?
I got a time machine DeLorean that goes back to the year 1985 when it reaches 88 miles per hour.
Very exciting.
Who am I here with?
Maverick Cottle.
And when is your birthday?
It was March the 7th.
And what did you get for your birthday?
I won the lottery.
Amazing.
What is your name?
Mike Anderson.
What's your name?
Hannah Kromke. When is your guys' birthday? Monday, March 2nd. What did you get for your birthday?
Oh.
I went to Bellevue Bear.
What did you get for your birthday?
A weighted blanket.
Yeah!
What's your name?
Timmy Walker,
When's your birthday?
March 8th or Sunday.
What did you ask for your birthday?
A truck.
Ooh, happy birthday.
Welcome back.
Hey, have you ever thought about attending the military academy after school?
Probably not, but I bet others might be interested.
Definitely. Next Wednesday, March 18th at 4 p.m. at Herrick Library in Holland, admission reps from West Point Military Academy are coming to talk to interested students. Talk to Mr. Terpstra for more information.
Another opportunity involves a college a little closer to home. On Saturday, March 28th, and Saturday, April 11th, Grand Valley State University is holding open house events for prospective students. More information can be found at this link.
I think you mean this link.
Hey, how come yours worked?
I don't know. Just it takes years of training to figure this out, avoiding school Wi-Fi, stuff like that.
Well, off to another segment of Meet Your Seniors.
What's your name?
Carly Hernandez.
If you could be any superhero, what superhero would you be?
Batman.
And what's your advice to underclassmen?
Don't skip chapel and try to be involved and don't take it for granted.
What's your name?
Grant Walgamuth.
If you could be any superhero, what superhero would you be?
Iron Man.
And then what's your advice to underclassmen?
Make sure to turn in all your work on time.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Genesis Brandenburg.
Who's your favorite underclassman?
I'll have to say my sisters.
And what advice would you give to an underclassman?
Get involved, do everything you can because it goes by fast.
Henry Nagel. I'd be Mark Grayson in Invincible. I would say just go to events and talk to people because odds are they don't dislike you. They just don't know you yet.
Who are you?
Emmerich.
If you could be any superhero in the world, who would it be?
Probably Iron Man because he's pro-war and has a lot of money.
What's one piece of advice you'd give to an underclassman?
Probably just, when your hair gets too long, just get a haircut,
The Cinderella musical cast needs some help during rehearsals and performance this week.
These are some of the areas in which they need volunteers. Hairstyling, applying theater makeup, moving set pieces, running the lights board, and ushering. You can earn some service hours for helping. If you're interested, please email Miss Strayer at this link. Hey Chris.
Yep.
The vampires are coming. Friday.
Not this again.
I'm being completely serious.
You're telling me that blood-sucking vampires are coming to this Christian school this Friday?
Yes.
Are they coming to the musical?
No, I don't think so.
Well, that's lame.
What's up, NPC? The weather's wet and gushy today. It's gonna be sunny on Monday when you guys come back. Very nice. And then, it's gonna be another wet day on Tuesday. With then it comes been cloudy on Wednesday, and then Thursday will be sunny. Then, you're back to wet on Friday. Stay tuned for more weather with Nathan. See ya.
Vampires
are coming Friday. Yes, I know.
I'm being
completely serious. Yes, I get it.
Maybe this next segment will prove it to you.
Who wants free PJ pants?
I do.
Who wants to skip class?
Me.
Who wants free snacks?
I do.
And who wants to use their phone at school?
I do.
Come get your blood drawn. Friday. March 13th.
March 13th. Or we will find you.
You have to be 16 or older.
Not vampires exactly, but I get your point.
They're coming on Friday, and anyone who agrees to give them blood will earn points for their house.
How do people sign up?
They can sign up at this link.
I got you.
I'm Tyler.
And I'm Chris.
And this was NPC.
Have a great day.